We had rain yesterday and the creek is back to normal. 2 days ago, I took a picture and the video. This was completely dry, except a few drops on the other side to our right. Everything is looking live after a drought here in Florida. I'm hoping to find the crabs and the fish. But it looks like it will be impossible to find the fish in here because when there's drought, when there's no rain, the water dries up. So the fish won't be able to live here. And this is the wooden side of the place where we are camping. The sound of nature is just unbelievable. In a long time, I haven't experienced such a good time having fun in nature. The sounds of the birds, crickets, butterflies going past, and the small still sound of the water running through the creek. In preparation for the garden that is coming up very soon, we decided that the soil from the creek would be fertile. So today, that's part of our work to do. I'm planning to do lessons on horse riding, but before I do that, I have to take out my fears by training on going on the river on the canoe. This is going to be my first time being in the canoe on my own in the river. I have a feeling that experience will take me off the edge of trying to think how would I ride on the horse. I like green color generally, but we don't have any green color here on these canoes, so I'm gonna have the yellow choice. We can't drive, we can't go through the creek because it's too narrow and too small and too shallow. We'll have to get this somewhere, and I'll be bringing the videos wherever we go. And we also bring in the videos on the hoist training. We are very far from the city, camping in the woods, and we'll have to get the clothing to go and wash in town. But for the time being, I was saying this, that maybe it would be useful if I wanted to do the laundry around here and put on the sun. It's quite humid and it's also hot, so the clothes should be able to dry quickly as much as possible, so there's nothing to worry about. I'm gonna go check the creek one more time. It's very beautiful. The only thing that takes me back to the house is because it's humid. Otherwise, I'll get my chair and sit along the creek here and maybe barbecue or do something, but it's extremely hot. I understand the owner has seen a snake, but it's not venomous, going through the creek. For now, I don't know whether it's dead or not because the water was dry. I hope I can see it one of these days and just get the video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.